Welcome to the French reading practice and let's read French series. Today we are going to learn the combination sound of FR followed by a vowel. Bonjour à tous, this is Camille Morin, your French teacher from French Pearl with Camille. So as usual, you will be repeating after me and don't forget, practice makes perfection. So if you want to speak, if you want to read like a native, then you have to practice. Keep practicing. F, R, fr, fra, fre, fri, fro, fru, fra, fra, frapper, frapper, fre, fre, fredonner, fredonner, fri, fri, frita, frita, fro, fro, frotter, frotter, fru, fru, fruit, fruit. That's it for today and see you in the next lesson. Until then, au revoir et à bientôt.